So, how's the search going?
Well, I found 3 that I think that we ought to be interested in. The first one is a 40-foot Tiffin Phaeton. It's really nice.
Oh, that is nice.
The next one is, let me blow it up so you can see it. Is a Newmar Dutch Star. This 45 foot long.
Yeah, we like that with the tag axle.
Yeah, it's nice. And the last one I like is, I think we ought to consider, is this Integra Cornerstone. It's 44 foot long.
Nice.
Yeah, it's nice as well.
Hey guys, we're Daniel and Terry. Welcome to the Simple Mile. In this video, we're going to show you how we went from a Class C to a Class A. Stick around.
All 3 of them, I think, is what we would do as well. The Cornerstone and the Dutch Star are tag axle, whereas the Phaeton isn't. All 3 of them are bath and a half, which, you know, is a must-have. Created, even narrowed our search criteria down even more.
Yeah.
We was strictly looking at Newmar, and place in Houston had 3 or 4 that we was interested in, and so we went down there. Was going to stay for a week, and we got there, at the RV park, set up, and was it the next day we went there?
I think we went that afternoon.
All right, we're in Houston, and they've got Dutch Stars.
At the RV. sales line.
PPL Motorhomes.
Yes. And they got quite a few of them.
Yep, hold on.
And we got a list.
We got a list. Look here. All Class A's. Well, most of them.
Most of them.
Most of them. There's our first Dutch Star that we're going into. Nice floors. Seat check.
Yes.
Passes the Terry test.
Passes.
I'm gonna do a walkthrough.
All right, I'm gonna check out
Just
the
to
bench
look
here.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me do this, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna sit down
Okay.
with you.
Ouch.
I mean, they had a lot. They had a lot of RVs,
A lot
but
of them.
but
Class A's.
yeah. They had a few Dutch Stars, because that was the big thing on our list, was a Dutch Star, and we looked and
Because the Dutch Star has the full bath in the back and the half bath in the middle
tag axle,
and a tag axle. So
diesel pusher.
Diesel pusher. Yeah.
It had everything that we was looking for, but the ones they had, it just didn't wow us or anything. And
And we really wanted the table and chair, didn't we?
yeah, that's another thing. We wanted table and chairs. We
and
didn't want the booth.
Have them. Yeah.
And so when we went there and looked at them, I'm gonna tell you, we were a little bit disappointed.
Yeah.
We went back to the RV and we were just like, man. And I got on. I pulled up my laptop and got to looking again, and I'm like, well, the others we was looking at were up close to Dallas Fort Worth area, and one in particular, we looked at it before, and it's beautiful. It was really nice.
Yeah. It was pretty nice.
And,
pretty amazing. Yeah.
And we looked at it again.
But the only thing about it, when Daniel pulled it up, is, hey, look at this, and because inside was really just, I don't want to give it away. So the inside was definitely checked a lot of boxes.
Yeah.
So, but the only thing is it wasn't.
The only thing is, didn't have a bath and a half.
Yes.
What it had is a split bath. So you had your toilet and a sink on one side of the hallway, and on the other side of the hallway you had a shower and another sink. And we started thinking, like, well, you know what, both of us would get our own medicine cabinet
Yeah.
and sink.
Because
that
at first
way.
we were like, because we really wanted the big bath in the back.
Yeah.
You know, for some reason that just seemed to be the bath and a half just seemed to be, you know, on our bucket list.
So we decided, you know what, that we had a week stay booked in Houston. I talked to the office and said, listen, man, we're leaving tomorrow. So they did.
We looked at the inside of this one more time. We go, you know, maybe we don't need a bath and a half. Let's go check it out. So Daniel made the arrangements.
We left Houston and started driving north and found a place to stay. And I'd been on the phone and texting back and forth with a salesman up there. And when we got to Fort Worth, well, it's just outside Fort Worth. It's Aledo, wasn't it?
Yeah, Aledo. Yeah.
And
call it the Cow Town or something like that.
we stayed at Cowtown RV Park.
Mm-hmm.
And we set up there, and we went and looked at what the RV dealership had. And as soon as we walked into the one that we liked online, we knew that was it.
Yeah.
Stop the search.
Daniel had already did the due diligence all on the full rig, you know, all the specs and all that good stuff. So
yeah, we was like, stop the search. This is the one.
Yeah.
You know, low mileage, diesel pusher,
tag axle,
clean.
Yes.
It's
It's not like one we've ever seen before.
No.
And Daniel was pulling up a lot of RVs, and we've looked at them over the years, and we haven't seen one like this.
You know what the biggest selling point for this is, and Terry and I got to talking, and we're going to show videos of the inside and the out, but we got the biggest thing to us is, even when we had our sticks and bricks, probably 95% of our time we stayed in the kitchen, dining room, living room.
Yeah.
And
The living space.
the communal living space, that's where we spend all our time.
Yeah.
And this particular model has a huge living space, you know, dining room, kitchen, living room. It's just massive.
Yeah.
Opposing slides, really opens the place up.
And I mean, it has a king size bedroom,
Yeah.
size bed. The bedroom, it has the stack washer and dryer. It has a nice size closet, the dresser drawers.
Yeah.
So we didn't lose any bedroom space at all. It's just the layout of it and how they did the bath and the split bath gave us a lot more. That's our little dinky dog playing with her toy.
I was gonna say, do you gotta squeak
She's
that?
on her back playing with her toy. Hi everyone. So today is the big day.
Terry's got me outside at the butt crack of dawn to shoot this video to let you guys know that today's the big day. So here we are.
Here we are.
Once we walked in this thing, it's such a wow factor, you know, and the price was right. So when you find something that checks all your boxes, man, why keep looking?
Yeah.
So we're eating breakfast. As you can tell, we're somewhere. We're eating breakfast. It's just turned 7 o'clock. We've already been at Walmart at 6 or whatever. Terry's got nervous energy, so she's got us out doing whatever. So I don't even know where I'm going after this.
Well, they changed our pickup, our orientation from 9:30 to 1:30.
Yeah.
So we're all prepped for 9:30.
And which we don't mind it pushing it back a little bit,
No.
because they said they're cleaning it and washing it and all that. So we kind of want it to be clean and spiffy, but you know, in the interim, Terry's bouncing off the dang walls.
Hi everyone. So here we are, taking Jenny over to swap her out for Venny. This will be our last drive. How about it, babe?
Yeah. It's bittersweet. She's been
If
great.
you guys
for
see
us.
the video of the new rig, you're going to understand why we selected this one.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's been a fun journey.
Yes?
You know, traveling in our Class C Jenny.
Yep.
But I think it came to a point where it was time to retire Jenny and move up to
Venny. We
Venny.
called the new rig Venny.
Yeah, so stick with us, and we'll give you a full tour and show you why we picked Venny. tree, I guess that's what you call it. But look how steep our dashboard is. So we'll figure that out. Anyway, what I think is cool, pretty cool is look at all the room that we have to walk through back there. It's pretty awesome. All right, well, we're headed down to Corpus Christi, so hope you enjoy the ride.
In 1/4 mile, keep left to I-410, then keep right.
Okay, so it's a tag axle, diesel pusher, 44 foot long, 4 slides. It's got the pull-out trays through 2 of our pass-throughs.
Here's Miss Bale, Miss Dinky. All right, so just want to give you guys a quick overview of one of the things that we really enjoy about this RV is that with all the slides in, you can see the space that we have to walk through here. Because you know on these RV slide outs, they have toppers. And what happened, Daniel?
Well, the last couple of days it was so windy, like gusts of 40 miles an hour, we ended up bringing in all our slides because the slide toppers we was afraid it was going to rip them. So we've had to live with the slides in. But it wasn't that big of a deal because, as you can see, we still got plenty of room. This is with the slides in, and look at the room we got in the kitchen, and we can sit down and eat.
And have no problem opening the refrigerator?
No, none whatsoever. I mean, like I said, with the slides in, they didn't hinder us one bit.
So unlike some of the motorhomes, as Daniel was saying,
Our first Class A, there's no way we could do that. We hardly had room to walk down through there.
nope. And as you can see, it's Dinky and Bella approved with the space they have. And we can even put out our recliners, so the foot part of the recliner will go all the way over to the chair, and you can lay back in the chair. So it's pretty cool. All right, guys, so this is our living space in Venny with the slides out. So you can see all the walk around space that we have. We got our bar stools, which I don't know if you know, but Daniel's always liked to sit at the bar in our sticks and bricks, so it worked out perfect. And going on through there, we'll take you back to the back. As you can see to the left, our table and chairs. And yes, we do have 2 TVs, which we kind of enjoy. We do have a, what's it called, an inductive stovetop? Induction stovetop, which you can see underneath there. And we'll take you back to the back. So this is the hallway. Going to the back, which you see we have a pocket door. And I'll take you around here into the shower. As you can see, we got split bathroom, which we really love. And we got a lot more space in the shower and the shower room than what we originally thought we were going to have. And just spinning around here into the toilet room, as you can see, the door will open up there. Another sink. And this does have that egress door.
Yes.
Yeah, the emergency door that goes out. So you guys are looking at our toilet. So our toilet room, which we do love the wallpaper. They were going to change it out for us, but I don't know if you guys, we mentioned, but maybe Daniel can mention a little bit real quick. The lady who purchased this before us, the previous owner.
Yeah, the lady, the previous owners, literally they hired an interior decorator. And what they did, they came in here and they painted and wallpapered and bought accessories and everything like that to bring it to what you see now.
And there's our stack washer and dryer.
Washer and dryer.
How about that? We got a nice
Closet.
amount of closet space. Yep. Of course,
Yeah.
the TV. Spin
then-
around here, and you can see all the dresser space that we have.
Mm-hmm.
So we're very pleased with it.
Pocket door here.
Yeah, and as you can see, we got pocket doors. So not that we'll really. Bathroom mirror door. We can close off the bedroom. Then if we want to, we can close off the whole master suite, we call it.